Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to verify email address on ClearScore. To verify your ClearScore email, first of all open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in clearscore.com and search. After logging into your account, simply go ahead and click on this verify link which will be popping up at the top of the screen from the home page if you haven't verified your email yet. Simply click on verify and follow through the instructions. You can also go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right and click on my account. From the my account option, click on your details. You will then need to click on the verify button under registered email and you will receive a verification email on your email inbox. Simply go ahead and click on the email and click the verify button in order to verify your email address. And right after you do that, you will be able to verify your email on ClearScore. That's it for today's video. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.